Good morning, students of class 10th. Last class we discussed about the pollination and fertilization in the flowering plant. And from today we will discussing the new topic sexual reproduction in animal. Sexual reproduction in animal. We know that in our earth two characters are found, man and woman, also called male in scientific language or female. Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ all are different in structure and perform different function. Male reproductive organ testis, female reproductive organ ovary. In testis there is a formation of sperm which is a single cell or reproductive cell, and ovary releases ovum or called eggs. Female reproductive cell, it is also a single cell. Okay, men release sperm with the help of testis, and testis is the formation point of the sperm, and ovary is the formation organ of the ovum. Sperm is male gamete and ovum is female gamete. Sperm structure is just like this is a rough structure. Main structure is in this form. In this form of sperm, this part is the head part. This is the head part. This part is called middle piece. This part is called middle piece, and this is tail, which help in the movement of sperm towards the ovum. In the head part of the sperm, this is nucleus, which contain n number of chromosome, in the nucleus. And around the nucleus there is a presence of cytoplasm. And is the outer layer. We normally know that animal cell is the cell membrane. Outer layer is cell membrane. So its outer layer is cell membrane. Within cell membrane there is a presence of cytoplasm, and in the cytoplasm nucleus is immersed in the cytoplasm, which contain n number of chromosomes. This middle piece contain mitochondria. And we know that you guys are already learned in class 9th. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. powerhouse of the cell because it provides energy to the cell. Energy to the cell in which form? In the form of ATP. So, in this structure, this part contains mitochondria which provide energy to the whole sperm cell or male gamete to the movement towards the ovum of the female body. So this is the male reproductive gamete, male gamete, and this is female gamete. This structure is nucleus. This structure is nucleus which contain chromosome or genetic material for the transfer of gene from one generation to another generation. And this is cytoplasm, and is the outer layer is cell membrane. And this outer layer, which is we know that is the cell membrane, protect it from the damage. When the sperm is reached, and this nucleus which is present in the head part of the sperm, and this is mitochondria and this one is the tail, the outer layer contain a jelly-like structure which first this sperm break down with the help of enzyme present on the head of the sperm called hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase is the enzyme present on the acrosome, which is the top part of the head, which is the acrosome present hyaluronidase, which help to break down the outer membrane of the ovum that we called zona pellucida. This is not necessary to learn you in class 10th. Actually, this is the important topic for I think class 12th, but I just inform you. This is the enzyme layer or jelly-like structure which is present around the cell membrane of the ovum or male-female gamete, and which is in this enzyme present on the acrosome of the male reproductive gamete, hyaluronidase, which help to break down the outer cover of the ovum called zona pellucida, and बस इतना ही जानो. And next is the fertilization. This is male gamete detail, this is female gamete detail. Next process is the fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. And when the fusion of male and female gamete, there is a production of zygote. So the fusion of a sperm, which is also called male gamete, with an ovum or egg or female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction is called fertilization. This zygote, we know that form is with the help of fusion of male and female gamete. This zygote also we say fertilized ovum or fertilized egg. Fertilized ovum or fertilized egg. There are two types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. First one is the external fertilization. And second one is the internal fertilization. External fertilization and internal fertilization. From its name, it is clear that fertilization process occur outside of the body. External fertilization, outer side of the body, means external fertilization is the process in which the fertilization of egg and sperm outside of the body is called external fertilization, and internal fertilization inside of the body. External fertilization involve in the amphibians like frog and toads, fishes, and external fertilization requires a medium. External fertilization requires a medium for the fertilization. This medium is water. External fertilization requires a medium for the fertilization. This is the water. And internal fertilization is already known that it is fertilized inside of the body. And the internal fertilization, human, animals, birds, reptiles, etc. These are the internal fertilization and these are the external fertilization. The method in which the zygote grows and develops into a full organism also varies in different animals. हर एनिमल का फर्टिलाइजेशन और zygote फॉर्मेशन होने के बाद वो फुल ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो ग्रोथ होता है, हर एनिमल्स का डिफरेंट प्रोसेस होता है. So today we stop this topic in this point. Next class we discussed about the DNA and function of DNA and how reproduction takes place in animals or internal reproduction. Thank you for that today. Have a good day.